Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can change the country of residence, how you can change your country and your YouTube channel. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to our YouTube channel. So I'm going to clicking on this profile section and we have to go to the YouTube studio. And after clicking on the YouTube studio, simply we have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, you will get an option here which is called settings here. So we are going to clicking on this settings option, and after clicking on the settings option, as you can see, we have to go to the channel option, and after going to the channel, you will be able to see the country of residence. We have to choose the country that where from you belong. For example, I am going to choose a random country. It's up to you. You have to choose your own country wherever you live. For example, I am going to choose this Bangladesh here, or whatever you want. Or I'm going to choose the Pakistan here. You have to choose it, and then simply we have to click on the save. And after clicking on the save, the information you will be added or you will be changed, that will be saved. So in this way, you can change the country of your residence in your YouTube channel. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.